Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Learn to master your Canon F789 SGA version 1 and 2 that will make math easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. It will help you pass your board exam with ease. Let's go! So, for today, we will discuss the calculator technique for the greatest common factor or GCF. This is part 1. So when we say GCF, it is the largest number that divides all of them exactly without leaving a remainder. Another term for greatest common factor is greatest common divisor, or GCD. So how do we calculate GCF? We have many different ways. Okay, number 1 is our Caltech number 1, getting the factors. So basically, we will just get the factors of the numbers given, and then after getting the factors, we just observe and choose yung pinakamalaking value. So para masunod lang yung definition, the greatest common factor. So pinakamalaking value na common sa lahat ng numero. Now, ano nga ba yung factors? Pag sabi nating factor, it is an integer that divides the number exactly. Ibig sabihin, walang remainder. So yun yung definition of factors. So how do we calculate the factors of a number? So in our previous video, pinakita ko na yung Caltech sa pagkuha ng factors ng mga number. I-recap lang natin ngayon. So ang Caltech natin is just simple 2 steps. First step, you just press mode 6. Mode 6, which is table 1. And then, mag-i-input tayo na equation. Ang equation natin, laging number over x. For example, a random number, 24. I-divide natin ng x. So we want to calculate the factors of number 24. Then, after inputting yung equation na yan, press equal sign, magtatanong siya ng start. So we always start with the first integer, which is 1. And then magtatanong siya ng end. Regarding sa end, lagi siyang square root of the given number. So square root of our number kanina, 24. And then for the step, nalagay lang natin 1 para multiples of 1 yung dagdag. And then it will generate table. So, papasok na yung step 2. Looking at the table, ang gagawin lang natin is maghahanap tayo ng mga pairs of whole numbers. So, yung mga pairs of whole numbers, yun yung mga factors ng number na tinatanong. So, 1 tsaka 84, pares yan na whole number. So, those are factors. 2 and 12 are factors. 3 and 8 are factors. 4 and 6 are factors. So, nagkataon lahat ng nasa table natin, mga factors. So, ganun yung paraan to get factors of a number. So, with this, pwede na natin makakuha ng GCF. Okay. So, try natin on a sample problem. Find the GCF of 24 and 36. So, sakto yung unang number, 24, we already get the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So, sakto, nakuha natin lahat ng factors ng number 24. Now, punta tayo sa number 36. So, edit natin yung ating function. 36. I-divide natin ng x. Start tayo sa 1. Mag-end tayo sa square root of 36. Then, step is 1. So, these are the factors yung mga whole number of pairs. So, 136, 218, 312, 49, and then 6. So, those are the factors. Yung 5, 7.2, hindi siya factor kasi nga may decimal. So, kailangan whole number. So, basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So, maraming factors, no? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Now, once makuha na natin lahat ng factors, hanapin lang natin yung greatest common factor. So, pinakamalaki na common. So, mga common factors nila are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, yung mga common factors. And obviously, yung pinakamalaking common factors para tawagin GCF, my observation is number 12. So, that's it. So, that is our first calculator technique para makakuha ng GCF. Okay, so calculator techniques for GCF, or the greatest common factor, part 2. So again, for a simple recap, GCF is the largest number that divides all of them exactly without leaving a remainder. Another term for GCF is GCD, also known as the greatest common divisor. In the previous problem, or previous caltech natin, nakakuha tayo ng GCF gamit ang mga factors. So, kinaltek natin yung factors para makuha natin sila. Now, for part 2, ang gagamitin naman natin caltech is prime factorization. So, kukunin natin mga prime factors lang talaga. So, prime factorization means writing a number as a product of prime numbers only. So, pag sinabi natin prime numbers, it has exactly 2 factors, 1 in itself. So, yung isang numero, i-represent natin siya sa product ng mga prime. Pag nagagawa natin yon, product ng mga prime, tawag doon prime factorization. So, medyo mahaba ang solution ng prime factorization. Pero don't worry, this is your caltech buddy. Tuturuan ko kayong kumuha ng prime factorization gamit ang Canon F789 SGA version 2, also applicable sa version 1. So, ituro natin yung caltech. Okay, first up. We just input the number na gusto nating kunin ng prime factorization. And then we just press equal sign. If, for example, a random number 105. So, I want to get mga prime factorization ng 105. Press equal sign. Then, so ito yung display natin sa calculator. Second step, ipindutin natin yung shift and then yung p-fact. So, pag kinuha natin yung shift, p-fact, hanabas na yung prime factorization instantly. So, shift, p-fact. So, these are the prime factorization of 105. 3, 5, 7. So, with that, makukuha natin yung prime factorization of a number. And then, gamit yon, tsaka natin makukuha yung GCF. Okay, so, lagyan na natin ng sample problem para mas ma-appreciate. Find the GCF of 252 and 105. So, kung kukunin kayo mga factors niya manually, medyo matagal yun kasi malaking numero na po. So, another technique is kunin yung mga prime factorization. Then, you just multiply yung smallest prime factors common to both. So, you just multiply yung mga prime factors na smallest na common dun sa dalawang numero. So, let's do it. Una, kunin muna natin yung prime factorizations. Let's start with 252. 252 equal sign and then shift p-fact. So, these are the prime factorization. 2 squared, 3 squared, tsaka 7. And then, kunin natin yung prime factors of prime factorization ng 105. So, 105 equal sign, shift p-fact. So, lalabas sa kanya, 357. So, para makuha yung GCF, ang gagawin natin, kunin natin yung smallest prime factors common to both. So, kung titingnan natin yung mga prime factors nila, ang common sa kanila, 3 tsaka 7. So, hindi pwede gamitin yung 3 squared kasi wala naman 3 squared sa kabila. So, yung common sa kanila ng prime factors, 3 and 7. So, gagawin nila, yung multiply it to get yung GCF. So, 3 multiplied by 7. So, lumalabas ang GCF ng 252 at 105 is number 21. So, that's it. So, this is our calculator technique number 2 para makuha ang greatest common number or greatest common factor of a given numbers. Calculator technique for the greatest common factor or GCF part 3. In this part 3 video natin, ito na yung pinaka-ultimate calculator technique for GCF. So, in our previous videos, binigyan ko kayo ng 2 ways to calculate GCF. Yung una, getting the factors. Pangalawa, using the prime factorization. So those are correct na solution. Pero yung pangatlong technique, pinakamaganda. Okay, so recap lang tayo. Caltech number 1, get the factors. Caltech number 2, use prime factorization. And Caltech number 3, our ultimate Caltech mula sa Caltech body is using Canon function, apps, and then hanapin yung GCD. Kasi ang GCF at GCD is just the same. Greatest common factor is the same sa greatest common divisor. Okay? So gumadaning Caltech na ito gamit si Canon F789 SGA version 2. Also, gumagana rin ito sa Canon F789 SGA version 1. Let's do it. So we want to calculate the GCF of 24 and 36. So we solve it using other Caltech, lumabas yung chord. And ito yung pinamadali, gamit yung apps. So press apps. Then, indutin yung 8, which is the GCD. And then, inside the GCD, ilagay mo yung numbers separated by comma. So, parang ganito. So, 24, first number, comma, 36. So, just press equal sign. Automatically, you will get GCD. Ang GCD is parehas lang sa GCD. Okay, let's try again. Para lang ma-practice nating maigi yung ultimate technique to get GCF. So, mas malaking number, 252 and 105. So, edit lang natin ito. So, GCD pa rin tayo. So, ups, and then press 8. Then, input the two numbers. 252, our first number, comma, 105. So, again, instantly, makukuha natin yung greatest common factor. In this case, number 21. Now, i-level up natin. So, what if marami talagang numbers and we are looking for the greatest common factor? So, about this item. Okay, the GCF of 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 48. Same approach pa rin, we press ups, then 8 for GCD. Ups, 8. Then we input the numbers. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, then 48. Now, if we press our calculator equal sign para makuha yung GCF nila, eto pa nating lalabas, syntax error. Kasi we have limitations sa calculator. Sa gumagana yung Caltech natin, pero syempre, ang limitation niya lang, 3 numbers at a time. 6 yung numbers natin, no? So, hindi talaga yan gagana using Caltech. Pero pwede natin gawa ng paraan. So, pwede nating i-factors, or i-group po yung 6 numbers into 3 each. Tapos kunin natin yung GCF nila. So, something like this. Okay. So, apps 8. So, 12, 18, 24, i-grouping natin yan. So, apps 8 ulit. So, GCD ng 12. Kasi 3 at a time lang talaga eh. 18, then 24. So, yan, nakagrupo na sila. Then, i-GCD natin yung 30, 36, 48. So, apps 8 ulit. 30, 36, and then 48. Then, close parenthesis. So, in the display ni calculator, ganito yung itsura niya. So, magagawan ng paraan ng GCF kahit ilang numbers pa yan. Okay? So, 3 at a time lang para gumana yung GCF or GCD. So, with this, makuha natin yung greatest common factor or the greatest common divisor ng 6 numbers. So, the answer is 6. So, if imamanual natin ito, medyo matagal talaga siya. So, it is good na marunong tayong gumamit ng calculator technique. So, this is your Caltech buddy. I'm hoping marami tayong natutunan para makakuha ng GCF. Thank you. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discuss, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. Like and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Share it with your friends, add them, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest lecture and calculator techniques. Again, to God be the glory. Anyway, these are other Caltech topics to be discussed in this channel. This is your Caltech buddy, Math Made Easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!